Before going to the topic, I would like to share few points that you need to understand. Do you know, according to the data released by private think tank Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, nearly 1.9 crore salaried people have lost their jobs in India since April. I can't comment how lockdown in the initial stages was helpful or not. However, I can surely say that every Indian needs to learn how to manage personal finance. To solve the problems relating to money in our life, we need to know how to manage personal finance simultaneously while learning about corporate finance. Salary can help you. However, having the knowledge of personal finance will help you to improve your standard of living by managing the inflow of the income in an effective way. We have got many misconceptions about personal finance through which we couldn't able to improve our standard of living. Do watch my videos till the end to know the solutions relating to personal finance. Learn from the mistakes of others. Life is too short, my dear, and time is money. Respect time and also respect money. You don't know the value until you lose them. Let's get into the topic without any further delay. Hi everyone, I'm Satya. In the previous video, we have checked what is emergency fund, how to calculate emergency fund in simple ways. And in today's video, we will check the advantages and do's and don'ts of emergency fund. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. One of the advantage of having emergency fund is it ensures security of you and your family's future by protecting the savings and also investings that you have done for other goals. Those goals can be anything like children's education, children's marriage, etc. You never know when will the next emergency appear. And if you have got an emergency fund account, it will help you to avoid losses that may arise due to the uncertainties of the economy. Borrowing money can be helpful in good times. However, when the economy is bad and if your take home salary is half of the usual amount that we are getting, then it will be tough to meet the household expenses. In addition, if you have debt, you need to feel the burden of it too. So if you have emergency fund account, then you need not have to depend on additional loans. So that's another good point. Peace of mind is one of the most important part of every individual's life. If there is any uncertain or unforeseen event which can make huge dent into your savings, emergency fund will ensure that there is peace of mind in our life. One can focus on the work peacefully rather than worrying about the income and expenses that you have got. Even you can also utilize this time by investing in yourself, which will help you to improve your ability and get better opportunities in coming days, which will minimize the financial stress that you have got. Let's check out the essential things that we need to do in the checklist of do's and don'ts of having emergency fund. The first point is to make budget. Do have a budget every month. It will help you to prioritize between needs versus wants and spend the money accordingly. Make provisions. Make provisions to put aside 5 to 10% of the salary to emergency fund account. Replenish the emergency fund. Replenish the emergency fund whenever you use it. This is one of the most important part one need to do after using the emergency fund when necessary. So it will be helpful for future contingencies. Reduce the costs. One need to reduce the unnecessary costs. Adjust your goals. When there is recession, there is lot of chance that we get laid off or salaries get decreased. If this kind of scenarios happen, one need to adjust the amount that you save for other goals accordingly as per the income that you get. Capital protection. While saving for emergency fund, one need to keep in mind that you can't take risk of losing capital. So choose the saving avenues keeping capital protection in brain. Let's check out the don'ts while having emergency fund account. Never set your goals to be unrealistic in nature which can't be achieved. Goals should be realistic and achievable in nature. Don't use regular savings account for emergency fund. It's good to have separate account rather than having a regular savings account. Don't spend emergency fund account or money unnecessarily. Thank you for watching the video. If you feel the video is informative, do share the video. It may help someone who is in need and who are searching for the content similar to this. I will bring more videos relating to personal finance, which will be thought-provoking. Single idea can change the life of anyone. So do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon which is there beside the subscribe button. And do like the video if you feel it's good. All the best for the future.